Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to link a document in Wix. This is useful when we want to share files like PDFs, guides, or resources directly from our website. Let's get started on the Wix editing dashboard. For example, if we want to link an element, let's say this one here, all we have to do is double-click the text, then click the link button and go to Documents. Next, choose a file from your documents. We will upload a file from our computer. We have a sample PDF here. Let's upload that one. Once that's done, we just need to click to add it to the page, then click Done. As we can see, the text now has a link. If we click it, it works as a hyperlink. We can also do this with another element, like an image. Let's click on that. Let's make it bigger so it's easier to see. Let's use this image as an example. We select this image and then look for another sample to use. Let's take this image for an example. This one here. We select it and then click the link button again. Then click Documents. Choose the same sample PDF. Then add it to the page. As we can see, it's been added. Now click Done. The image now has a link and is recolored to show that. And that's how we link to a document in Wix. With this simple method, we can easily share important files with our visitors.